Oh my god, guys, no way. I just got the Pokemon Go spoof. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it and use FGL Pro on Pokemon Go as well, guys. So as you can see, here's my Pokemon Go spoof tweaked app. Basically, it's like a modded app. Check it out, Spoof. I'm going to show you guys all how to install it. It's working on iOS and Android. So all devices, you guys should all be happy. It's working on all devices. And it's going to be great, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all how to do it. So please watch the end of the video, though, because every single step is important. And yeah, what you guys want to do is open up your browser on your phone and type this in, dl.apphacks.co/pokespoof. Once again, that's dl.apphacks.co/pokespoof. And what we're going to go ahead and do is go to the site, and it's going to ask us, would you like to download the configuration profile if you're on an iOS device? We're going to click allow, and if you're on Android, it's going to make you download the APK. So just keep going, just keep following along, guys. We're in general settings, now we're in profiles, and you're going to see Pokespoof at the top right there. Check it out, Pokespoof. Now guys, we have one more step to complete. That's going to take about 2 more minutes, 3 more minutes, depending how fast your internet is. Just follow along. So once you've done everything correct, Pokespoof is going to pop up right there. Check it out. And yeah, there's one more step, guys. What you're going to do right now is just follow closely, open up your new app, and you're going to see this page right here. Pokespoof status, no injection detected. Get started. Welcome to Pokespoof. Thank you for installing the app. Tap the get started button. And yeah, so what you guys want to do here is do as it says. Tap the get started button, and you're going to see this right here, get start injection. Before you can use this app, we need to inject the content into this app. This step is required for all the functionality to work properly. So click start injection and follow the instructions. And once you've done everything and proved you're human, after about like 3 minutes at most, you're going to be able to get the joystick, the GPS spoof, FGL Pro, all of those awesome things, guys, in Pokemon Go. It's amazing. You don't have to spend any money on all that, guys. It's really cool. I've been using it myself, and I've been having a blast with it. You can literally go. You can literally go, like, if one day you're like in Europe, and then the next hour you're in China, and the next hour you're in Hawaii, like you're catching Pokemon, you're getting your Pokedex. Like, it's amazing, guys. And that's how you can get Pokespoof, the modded Pokemon Go app, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and that's pretty much it for the video. I'll catch you all next time.